Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to change your channel notifications tone back to the default setting on the Telegram app for PC. With the latest update, a few settings have moved around, so let's go through it together in an easy way. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app loads, look at the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is your main menu button. Go ahead and click on it. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. Inside Settings, you'll find a variety of options, but we're focused on notifications. So, click on Notifications and Sounds. This section allows you to control how and when you receive alerts for different parts of the app. Now scroll down until you see the section dedicated to channels. Select Channels, and then click on Notifications Tone. Here, you'll notice a list of available tones you can apply to your channel notifications. If you've tried different sounds in the past but want to return to the original setting, simply pick the option labeled Default. After you've made your choice, confirm it by clicking Save. This ensures that the app remembers your preference and applies it immediately. From now on, your channel notifications will play the default tone, making it easier to spot when new updates come in, while keeping things consistent with the rest of your Telegram alerts. That's all it takes. Just a few quick steps, and you can reset your channel notifications tone to default in the newest version of Telegram. It's one of those small adjustments that can make your experience smoother, especially if you prefer the familiar sound of the default alert instead of a custom tone. So, to recap, open Telegram, click the 3 lines at the top, go into Settings, then Notifications and Sounds, choose Channels, select Notifications Tone, pick Default, and save it. And that's it. Now your channel notifications are set back to the default tone, ready to keep you updated without any confusion.